This Elite Gourmet Countertop Single Coiled Burner is a versatile and convenient appliance that offers a powerful cooking experience in a compact package. This electric hot plate is perfect for those who need extra cooking space or a portable cooking solution for various occasions. Whether you're camping, hosting a holiday party, or simply need an additional burner in your kitchen, this product is designed to meet your needs efficiently. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner is its compact and portable design. Measuring just the right size to fit on any countertop, this burner takes up minimal space but delivers significant cooking power. Its lightweight and portable nature makes it an excellent choice for travel, camping trips, office parties, or any situation where additional cooking space is required. The ease of storage further adds to its appeal, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. The burner comes equipped with a variable temperature control knob, allowing users to quickly reach and maintain one of 6 desired heat settings. This feature provides versatility in cooking, enabling you to cook various dishes, keep food warm, or boil water with ease. The adjustable temperature control ensures that you can achieve the perfect cooking temperature for any recipe, making it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced cooks. Powered by 1000 watts, the Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner offers fast, consistent, and even heating for all your cooking needs. The coiled heating element efficiently transfers heat to your cookware, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. Whether you're frying, simmering, or boiling, this burner provides the necessary power to handle a wide range of cooking tasks. Maintaining the Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner is a breeze. The coiled heating element can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge, ensuring that it remains in excellent condition after each use. Additionally, the stainless steel drip pan beneath the element catches any drips or spills, making cleanup even more straightforward. The ease of cleaning this burner makes it a practical choice for everyday use. Safety is a top priority with the Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner. The power indicator light on the front of the burner alerts users when the burner is powered on, preventing accidental burns or mishaps. Non-skid feet ensure that the burner remains stable during use, providing a safe and secure cooking experience. These built-in safety features give users peace of mind while cooking. The Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner is an excellent addition to any kitchen, especially for those who need extra cooking space. It's perfect for travel. Take it with you on camping trips or vacations to ensure you always have a reliable cooking option. Office parties. Use it to prepare or warm up food for office gatherings. Holiday cooking. Add extra cooking space during the holidays when you need to prepare multiple dishes. Small spaces. Ideal for studio apartments, dorm rooms, and other small living spaces where a full-sized stove isn't practical. Conclusion. The Elite Gourmet Countertop Single Coiled Burner is a versatile and efficient cooking appliance that offers powerful performance in a compact and portable design. With adjustable temperature control, efficient power, easy cleaning, and built-in safety features, this burner is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home, on the go, or in need of extra cooking space, the Elite Gourmet Single Coiled Burner delivers reliable and consistent results. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips.